Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi and today's video is going to be a vitamin C skincare routine and a review of the Mom's Co. I love this brand guys because first of all, it's a made in India PETA certified brand, and if you actually look at the ingredient list, there's a brand that actually uses its packaging, its label to actually mention the ingredient list. In fact, as I go about with the video after when I actually show the product, I'll also quickly show you the ingredient list. So if you want, you can pause the video and check out the entire ingredient list. It's all toxin free and the ingredients are actually very well picked up. And talking about ingredients, well, it's a vitamin C range, so obviously the most important ingredient in this entire range will be vitamin C. Now, why vitamin C? Most of us already know this. Vitamin C is absolutely fantastic for brightening up your skin, for dealing with sun related damage. Vitamin C is also great for pigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and premature skin aging. So vitamin C is something which you definitely want to include in your skincare routine, especially if you have a troublesome problematic skin. And the Mom's Co vitamin C range is made with ethyl ascorbic acid that has over 84% vitamin C content and closest to pure vitamin C in molecular size. So I know that's a bit too much chemistry right here, but I just thought I should let you know. In case you're interested in understanding your ingredients really well, this is something which I felt was very exciting. And talking about the products, well, as a part of your regular skincare routine, there's something which you can actually use in your morning and your evening skincare routine. I've been using it for a while myself. So there are 4 products. The first is the Mom's Co Natural Vitamin C Face Wash, which is designed to cleanse the skin. Then we have the Mom's Co Natural Daily Face Toner, which is designed to tone your face. Then we have the Mom's Co Natural Vitamin C Face Serum, which is designed to repair your skin with the vitamin C. And finally, we have the Mom's Co Natural Vitamin C Face Cream, which is designed to moisturize with the vitamin C face cream. So this range is essentially designed to naturally brighten the skin, reduce dark spot, and even out the skin tone. It also helps to boost the hydration while keeping the skin moisturized and protect the skin from free radical damage, which is caused by pollution and UV rays. And of course, guys, like I always say, when you're trying out a new skincare routine, you always need to listen to your skin. You need to see what your skin is telling you, right? That's so important. And to know whether something will work for you or not, you have to try it for yourself. There is no other way around it. So vitamin C, like I just said, it has a lot of benefits and this range is actually really nice. So before I jump into the routine, let me quickly tell you that I will be sharing all the links in the description box below of all the products shown in today's video. Also, there's a 20% off code, which is TMCO20A. Yes, TMCO20A mentioned right here and also in the description box below. So you can use this coupon code to get flat 20% off on the links shared in the description box below. Now, moving on with the routine, well, the first step is obviously using the Mom's Co Natural Vitamin C Face Wash. I've personally found to be a very powerful yet a gentle cleanser that helps to reveal your brighter and your smoother complexion, underneath, while also retaining the moisture in the skin. It's not like a soapy formula, but before we get there, here's the ingredient list. If you want to check it out, you can pause the video. It has a unique formula which is enriched with orange beads. I don't think it's possible to see this on camera because they're super tiny, but they help to penetrate into the pores to remove the impurities really well, while also removing excess soil and surface buildup. I love that it's a gentle yet such a powerful cleanser, which I think is such a non-negotiable first step for any skincare routine. And right after using it, the skin actually looks cleaner, brighter. It also helps to promote even skin tone, soothe irritated skin, and leaves the skin feeling super soft. For the next step, we have the Mom's Co Natural Daily Face Toner with vitamin C. Apart from vitamin C, it also contains niacinamide, 5 plant AHAs and green tea extract that not only improves skin tone but also removes all impurities while tightening the pores. With regular usage, you will see that not only it helps in balancing the pH but also promotes smooth and well-toned skin. It helps to remove excess oil and excess shine. It also controls acne with regular use and creates a smooth and a vibrant complexion. Well, moving on, we have the Mom's Co Natural Vitamin C Face Serum with 10% vitamin C, 0.5% ferulic acid, Korean ginseng, and licorice extract. It helps to fight the damage caused by UV rays, pollution and free radicals to reveal a naturally brighter looking skin while stimulating collagen synthesis to make your skin look brighter and even toned. It helps to reduce dark spots. It also helps to boost the skin hydration. Plus, it's a non-comedogenic and dermatologically tested formula which makes it suitable for all skin types. Finally, for the last and final step, we have the Mom's Co Natural Vitamin C Face Cream. It is designed to provide rich hydration and also helps to reset naturally brighter looking skin. Formulated with a powerful antioxidant rich combination of pure vitamin C and E and ferulic acid, it also helps to promote the production of collagen in your skin naturally while fighting free radical damage and also giving you a brighter looking skin. I love its lightweight texture, guys. Do you see how quickly this absorbs into the skin and very quickly and intensely hydrates the skin from within? Plus, it's a dermatologically tested and a non-comedogenic formula. Like seriously, do you see this, guys? This is how my skin was looking when I started the video and how much my skin has transformed, and you saw the transformation happen itself, right? As I proceeded with the steps, I mean, I have to be honest, I think, it's big coming from a beauty blogger like myself who's always trying out new products, right? I think after a long time, I've genuinely come across a range of products that's different. Different in terms of its ingredients, how it works, how it's structured. It's so hydrating. Like, do you see how my skin is glowing so well? And just imagine what these products will do when you start using them more regularly. So immediately after using them, your skin feels happy, refreshed, awesome, vibrant. But when you start using it more regularly, obviously, you have to see it for yourself. Like I said in the beginning of the video itself, because you have, like, to know if a product will work for you or not, you have to try it for yourself, guys. There is no other way. But I do hope that you will give this product and this entire range a shot. And anyways, everyone uses these 4 steps, right? It's not even like you're going out of your way. Cleansing, toning, serum, moisturizing. If you're not following these 4 steps in a regular day-to-day skincare routine, you need to do it. Morning and evening, use it twice a day and see the difference. And once you see the difference, guys, don't forget, let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been. If you have tried this range before, let me know about your experience in the comment section as well. Vitamin C by itself, it is such a promising ingredient. It is so good for the skin. I've already listed out the benefits. It's great for brightening your skin. It's great for dealing with dark spots, pigmentation, age-related issues, like free radical damage and things like that. It has so many benefits. Plus, because of the way the products have been designed, it also hydrates your skin and gives you this nice soft glow, and it's amazing. Anyways, I think I'm going to end this video now because I'm just repeating myself. I was just really excited to tell you about these products. All the links, the 20% off code down in the description box below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye.